AI, and Web 3.0. Is it too late to learn and benefit? In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and Web 3.0 has sparked both excitement and concern among many. With constant advancements in these fields, you may be wondering if it's too late to learn and benefit from these technologies. In this blog post, we'll explore AI and Web 3.0, their impact, and whether it's still possible to seize opportunities in these areas. AI, an overview. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, among others. Web 3.0, the decentralized Internet. Web 3.0, also known as the decentralized Internet, is the next phase in the evolution of the World Wide Web. It aims to create a more user-centric Internet, where users have control over their data and interactions. Key components of Web 3.0 include decentralization, data privacy, and tokenization of digital assets. Is it too late to learn and benefit? The short answer is no. It's never too late to learn and benefit from new technologies, including AI and Web 3.0. Both fields are still in their infancy, and their potential applications and impacts are vast. Here are some reasons why it's not too late to get involved. Continuous advancements. AI and Web 3.0 are constantly evolving, and new breakthroughs are being made regularly. This means there will always be new opportunities to learn and adapt to the changing landscape. Education and resources. The Internet is filled with a wealth of resources, such as online courses, tutorials, and forums, which can help you learn about AI and Web 3.0. Many universities and institutions also offer formal courses and certifications in these areas. Job opportunities. As more industries adopt AI and Web 3.0 technologies, the demand for skilled professionals in these fields will continue to grow. Learning about AI and Web 3.0 can open up new career paths and job opportunities. Entrepreneurial ventures. If you have an idea that combines AI or Web 3.0 technologies, it's not too late to create a startup or join the growing community of entrepreneurs in these spaces. In conclusion, it's not too late to learn about and benefit from AI and Web 3.0 technologies. With continuous advancements, a growing number of educational resources, and expanding job opportunities, there's no better time than now to dive in and explore these exciting fields. Remember, the key to success is curiosity, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, go ahead and embark on your journey in AI and Web 3.0. The future is yours for the taking. I'm not an expert on AI or blockchain technology. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.